If you would like to change the background of your book, you can do that using the background panel. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this spread so we can see these changes a little more closely. First of all, you have the option to apply the background globally. This means that whatever changes you make inside of this panel are going to affect all of the pages in your book. If you uncheck it, then you will just have to select the pages that you want to change and then apply those settings for those specific pages. I'm going to keep that checked for this book. To see the different options for backgrounds, go ahead and click on this arrow, and then you have a few different categories: photos, travel, or wedding. To apply one of these graphics, just click on it in the list. If you'd like to change it, just go back and make those changes. You can also toggle that graphic setting on and off, and change the opacity. Moving it to the right is just going to make it much more visible, and by moving it to the left, it fades into that background. You can also set a background color. The default is white, but if you wanted to give it a different color, you can do that inside of this box. And then just check that box if you want to remove that color. And last but not least, you can add your own photo as a background as well. If you click on the options and go to Photos, and then click on that little box, it tells you to drop a photo into the box. So I'm going to go down to my photos. I have a few textures down here, and I'll just drag and drop it, and I'm going to increase the opacity so you can see that that photo is now in my background. You could even play around and add a different background color to overlay on top of that photo. For this image, I think I'm going to go with one of those travel options and then reduce the opacity down to about 20%.